I'm over you. I'm over you. I'm over you.
I've been missing this car so much. It's so much fun actually to drive it. You normally get used to every car. I mean, doesn't matter how fast it is, how many horses it has. You kind of get used also to 1,000 horsepower, I'm for sure. But I don't know, every time when you grab the car, it's just special. I have no words to describe the feeling, you just need to drive it. Driving a Lambo is mind-blowing. I mean, there's Ferrari, there are plenty of other supercars, but I'm kind of in love. I'm the Lambo guy. My dream Lambo is the SVJ, but right now I gotta stick to my Huracan because I just made the investment in the M8, and I also need to take care of the GT-R right now. Maybe we're gonna change color of the Lambo again. I have no idea right now, but for sure I'll keep you guys excited, and always fresh stuff coming in. What is going to happen next is new wheels for all three cars. Never gets old. This sound is insane. The V10, the naturally aspirated V10, is just like an orchestra, like a symphony. Best engine. It's so nice. And yeah, I'm in sports mode right now. A bit of a traffic, but still enjoy every single minute spent in this car. And in case you guys will ever be able to afford a Lambo, just go for the Huracan. It's just the best car. I mean, Aventador is nice, it sounds good, it's V12, it's fast, looks nasty, but the Huracan is simply the better car. I simply love this motherfucking sound. It's so mean. I've been missing it so much. I know I said this before, and I think I can say it like 10 times in a row. But this car is amazing. Downshift. Okay. It's just so much fun. That's a good one. So, there we go. Beautiful. Another Mercedes and another Mercedes. Wow.
And I'm over you. I'm over you. I'm over you. I'm over you.
This thing is so mean. Well, what we did is basically we left the headlights as they were tinted, just changed the color, everything that is blacked out like it was before, the grille, also the lip in the front. We just mounted another set of wheels because we had the ZP 3.1 right here. They were just on the car while we wrapped it. Right now we mounted the very first set of wheels that I put on the car, the ZP 416, and they still look stunning. I love it. The car is actually now up with the HLS system. That means this is not the ride height, that's lifted. Of course, the Michelin tires, the best tires on the market. In the rear, 25, 21 and 20-inch in the front. That looks fantastic. Let's check out the rear. Wow, this thing is so mean. That looks so good. Wow. Well guys, that was it. I hope you like it. The car is really stunning now. It's not finished, but it will be. And that's why I'll keep you updated with the finished product as soon as it is done.